Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore the length of a line segment. So for this particular question, I'm going to look at 2 points, given 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2, point A, point B. What will be the length? And sometimes we refer the length as distance. Okay, so this is the formula, and I'm going to prove by Pythagoras theorem how this formula comes about. So I am going to show that this line, this red color line here, is indeed x2 minus x1, because my point A will be x1, y1, point B is x2, y2, meaning that if I were to draw a dotted line down here, and therefore the distance here all the way to this point, this distance, this black color distance will be x2. Using the same idea, so the distance here would be my x1, and therefore to get the red color distance, it has to be my x2 minus x1. Okay, and using the same idea, I am going to look at my distance here. So I already have the distance from here all the way down is my y2. So the distance from here to here will be y1 and therefore the distance for the blue color will be my y2 minus y1. Now that I've got the length, right, I am going to just replicate this triangle and draw here. And you can then see that given this right angle triangle, I have y2 minus y1 here. I have x2 minus x1 here. And how do I find this length? Yep. By Pythagoras theorem, the length AB is therefore equals to AB square is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and therefore to find the length AB, I just need to square root this whole thing, which is how the formula comes about. Alright, so I've successfully proven this formula. So just to illustrate, this is my red color line, this is my blue color line, and this is my black color line. Alright, the next few examples I will share with you how then we can tap on this formula to solve problems.